Research shows that the average human uses 7,000 total words in one day, but only one word will make you more charismatic than all of them, and that is the person's name. That's right, their name. A person's name is the most beautiful, delicious sounding word to them. Have you ever thought about that? How often do we just take it for granted and we just say, hello, what's up, how you doing? But we forgo a person's name. This is a very easy tip that will change the way you approach different people and will make you more charismatic. I should also mention pronunciation matters, and it matters big time, especially if the person's name isn't one that's very common where you live. For example, people destroy my name all the time, but if someone says Payam, that's the way you pronounce my name, not Payam, not Payam. But if someone says Payam, I will do anything for that person. I will become their instant slave. You need me to take out your trash? I'll be there. Oh, you want me to go to Whole Foods? Pick up all your groceries? I got you. That's the power of using someone's name. You make me feel like you care, like you tried, like there was effort. Check out this clip of Steph Curry being interviewed by a reporter. The reporter called him by his real first name. And that's right. Yeah, you heard me. Steph, that's not his real first name. Take a look.
Wardell, why is Kelly so good at putback dunks?
Freak athlete, but...
How crazy was that clip? You could see the reaction, the facial expressions from Steph or Wardell. He was shocked. Someone actually took the time and research to call him by his birth name. It just goes to show that although that context is a little different than what you and I are discussing, the fact of the matter is someone took the time and the effort and the energy to learn something new, to go out of their way to show that they care. And when you do that, you have that person's attention. So in case you're watching this and you're like, I don't know if I buy into your strategy. I don't know if that's really gonna work. Do this. Go to a store, wherever you like to go, Target, Trader Joe's, Safeway. And when you're checking out from the cashier, try this. Look at the cashier's name and use it in the conversation. So whether you're just gonna say, thanks for your time, Bob, or how's your day going, Susie, it doesn't matter how you use it. I just want you to practice using the person's name at the store. Not only will many of them light up, they will probably smile, you'll put them in a better mood, and you're gonna make their day. It's a win-win for everyone involved. This will show you two things. One, it's gonna show you that using a person's name has a lot of power, especially when it comes to persuading someone. That's number one. Number two, it shows that if you can start building this habit, it's gonna be something you do innately. All of a sudden, you're just gonna start calling people by their first name a little more often than you do right now. And that's gonna make a huge difference in the way that you interact with people. I mean, how often do you think people at the grocery store call the cashiers by their real name? Never. They're complaining about the organic avocados having a little brown dot on them, about how long they had to wait in line. Why not make someone's day? As you use someone's name, you naturally become more charismatic. And when you're more charismatic, you're automatically more attractive. Those two, they go hand in hand like peanut butter and jelly, like Oreos and milk. So if you want the most bang for your buck, start practicing. Try it out. Let me know how it works for you. I guarantee you, not only are you gonna make someone else's day, their reaction just might make your day. Have you ever thought about that? That's right, their smile. You're gonna make someone feel good. And doesn't it feel good to make somebody else feel good? So to recap, use the person's name in conversations a little bit more than you do right now, and you automatically become more charismatic. If you're looking for a way to practice this, like I mentioned, go to the grocery store, go to any store that you like, look at that person's name tag, intentionally call them by their name. So instead of saying, hey, what's up? Say, hey, what's up, John? Something like that, okay? Especially if the name is difficult, ask them what the pronunciation is, what the correct pronunciation is. Caring matters, and if people sense that you put in a little bit of effort, they will move mountains for you, okay? If you have any questions or need clarification on this tip, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and you all have a wonderful day. See you guys later. Bye-bye.